Hey friends and yogis. So I'm here in beautiful Mexico on my retreat, and I wanted to hop on here today to share with you a practice that I've been sharing with my students that is really great for the sacrum and lower back. So if you have sacrum or lower back issues, this is a great practice. So all you'll need is a block or a pillow to put between your thighs, and a blanket or a mat, or you can lie on a carpet, something cushy and comfortable. So we're going to come onto our backs. With the soles of the feet on the mat, and have the feet just in reach of your arms, your fingertips when you touch, okay? And take the block or the pillow and put it between your thighs and squeeze it in. And then bend at the elbows, hugging those arms close to your body. And then you're going to press down from the elbow to the shoulder. So whole upper arm is pressing down, and palms are facing each other. And last but not least, you're going to press the back of the head into the floor or mat or earth, wherever you are. And then you're ready to go. So keeping all of that, so squeezing the legs, squeezing the arms, pressing them down, pressing the back of the head down. And now we're going to begin to rock the pelvis. So with the inhale, arching, with the exhale, curving. And so inhale, arching, and exhale, pressing. And so you're not lifting the sits bones at all. You're just letting them move with the rocking of your pelvis. And let the breath lead the movement. So inhale, arching off the mat. Exhale, pressing into the mat. Okay? And this is very therapeutic. So if you're having some tension or stiffness in your back or pain, you can do this practice. Good, so let's do that rock a couple more times. And then find your neutral spine. And now remove the block or pillow from between your thighs and hug your legs in towards your chest. So hugging in, Pavana Muktasana, hugging in, nice and close here. And then we're going to add a little something extra. So as you hug, I want you to imagine that you're going to arch your lower back. So you're actually attempting to do that. You won't be able to because you're hugging your knees in so tight, and that will give you a really nice sacrum adjustment. It's one of the ways that I get things all lined up whenever I'm out of whack. And then take some nice deep breaths there, and as you breathe, you'll feel the breath massaging your internal organs, and that's a good thing too. Good, so let's take a couple more deep breaths right there. Good. So that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a quick taste of what you can do to take care of your back and pelvis.